Welcome to Malay for Beginners. 100 easy phrases will make you sound more like a local. Learn Malay. Everyday conversations. 1. Nama saya. My name is. 2. Awak dari mana? Where are you from? 3. Saya dari. I'm from. 4. Berapa harga ini? How much is this? 5. Saya tak faham. I don't understand. 6. Boleh ulang? Can you repeat? 7. Saya suka makanan ini. I love this food. 8. Ada tandas dekat sini? Is there a restroom nearby? 9. Jumpa lagi. See you again. 10. Jaga diri. Take care. Learn Malay. Essential greetings and politeness. 1. Selamat pagi. Good morning. 2. Selamat petang. Good evening. 3. Apa kabar? How are you? 4. Terima kasih. Thank you. 5. Sama-sama. You're welcome. 6. Maaf. Sorry or excuse me. 7. Selamat tinggal. Goodbye. When someone is leaving. 8. Selamat jalan. Goodbye. Wishing someone having a safe trip or safe drive. 9. Boleh saya bantu? Can I help you? 10. Tolong. Please. Learn Malay. Ordering food like a local. 1. Nak makan sini atau bungkus? Eat here or take away. 2. Teh tarik 1. 1 pull tea, please. 3. Saya nak nasi lemak. I'd like nasi lemak. 4. Ada makanan vegetarian? Do you have vegetarian food? 5. Pedas sangat. Too spicy. 6. Tambah 1 lagi. Add 1 more. 7. Minum apa? What would you like to drink? 8. Tak nak gula. No sugar, please. 9. Sedap gila. Super delicious. 10. Boleh dapat bill? Can I have the bill? Learn Malay. Getting around. 1. Macam mana nak ke? How do I get to? 2. Dekat je. It's nearby. 3. Jauh tak? Is it far? 4. Belok kiri, turn left. 5. Belok kanan, turn right. 6. Terus, straight ahead. 7. Boleh naik Grab? Can I take a Grab? 8. Bus pukul berapa? What time is the bus? 9. Saya nak pergi KLCC. I want to go to KLCC. 10. Stesen kereta api di mana? Where's the train station? Learn Malay. Expressions locals love. 1. Lepak dulu. Chill out for a bit. 2. Best gila. Super cool. 3. Tak kisahlah. I don't mind. 4. On ke tak? Are you in or not? 5. Jom makan. Let's eat. Learn Malay. Shopping and bargaining. 1. Boleh kurang harga? Can you lower the price? 2. Mahal sangat. Too expensive. 3. Ada diskaun tak? Is there a discount? 4. Saya nak tengok dulu. I just want to browse or look first. 5. Saya beli 2. I'll buy 2. 6. Size ini ada? Do you have this size? 7. Warna lain ada? Do you have this in other colors? 8. Ini cantik sangat. This is very beautiful. 9. Bayar dengan tunai atau kad? Pay with cash or card? 10. Saya tak nak beg plastik. I don't need a plastic bag. Learn Malay. Travel and sightseeing. 1. Ada tempat menarik dekat sini? Are there any interesting places nearby? 2. Bila tutup? When does it close? 3. Berapa tiket masuk? How much is the entrance fee? 4. Saya nak ambil gambar. I want to take a photo. 5. Jangan lupa payung. Don't forget the umbrella. 6. Cuaca panas sangat hari ni. The weather is so hot today. 7. Nak pergi pantai ke gunung? Do you want to go to the beach or mountains? 8. Ada aktiviti malam di sini? Are there night activities here? 9. Saya suka suasana kampung. I love the village atmosphere. 10. Hati-hati bila mendaki. Be careful while hiking. Learn Malay. Making friends. 1. Apa hobi awak? What's your hobby? 2. Saya suka main bola. I like playing football. 3. Awak pandai cakap Melayu. You're good at speaking Malay. 4. Kawan baru saya. My new friend. 5. Awak nak lepak dengan saya? Do you want to hang out with me? 6. Kita boleh makan sama-sama. We can eat together. 7. Tambah saya di WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. 8. Awak belajar Melayu di mana? Where did you learn Malay? 9. Selamat berkenalan. Nice to meet you. 10. Harap kita boleh jumpa lagi. Hope we can meet again. Learn Malay. Handling emergencies. 1. Tolong saya. Help me. 2. Di mana hospital terdekat? Where is the nearest hospital? 3. Saya perlukan dokter. I need a doctor. 4. Dompet saya hilang. My wallet is missing. 5. Saya sesat. I'm lost. 6. Boleh telefon polis? Can you call the police? 7. Saya tak sihat. I'm not feeling well. 8. Ada farmasi dekat sini? Is there a pharmacy nearby? 9. Pukul berapa sekarang? What time is it now? 10. Kereta saya rosak. My car broke down. Learn Malay. Cultural phrases and traditions. 1. Selamat Hari Raya. Happy Eid. 2. Selamat Tahun Baru Cina. Happy Chinese New Year. 3. Selamat Deepavali. Happy Deepavali. 4. Saya suka budaya Malaysia. I love Malaysian culture. 5. Ini pakaian tradisional. This is traditional clothing. 6. Makanan ni halal? Is this food halal? 7. Kampung awak di mana? Where is your hometown? 8. Saya nak belajar tentang adat. I want to learn about customs. 9. Hormat orang tua. Respect the elders. 10. Malaysia, truly Asia. Malaysia, truly Asia. Learn Malay. Fun and casual expressions. 1. Gila lah. That's crazy. 2. Jangan kacau. Don't disturb. 3. Sempoy lah. Awak. You're so cool. 4. Relax ya. Just relax. 5. Alamak. Oh no. With these 100 phrases, you'll be able to connect with locals and enjoy your time in Malaysia more meaningfully. Happy learning!